All right, welcome back. In this tutorial video, we're going to be talking about video communication tools for educators, and then we're going to go into some interactive and collaborative tools that can be used with video communication tools as well. So high level, what are the video communication tools we're seeing out there? So Zoom is obviously a big one. That is now free for K through 12, and there's an application you can fill out online to get a free Zoom account for your school. Big Blue Button is another great one that's very popular. Adobe Connect and Google Meet. Google being one of the really popular ones that's heavily integrated into the Google Classroom and Google Suite for Education that we've talked about on our live shows in our most recent broadcasts. We've got some great tutorials. We're going to go into Zoom and Google Meet in more detail in upcoming tutorial videos. But for now, I want to give you some ideas of some tools that you can use in addition to these video communication tools and even with them. So one is called WeVideo, and this is the modern classroom, they say, isn't really complete without a collaborative website that allows you to put together videos as a group. And WeVideo does this very well. It allows you to mash together videos with the entire group and create an atmosphere of togetherness that's often hard to accomplish when you're doing distance learning. So you can watch videos together in a space that is really powerful. And I think that from an educational perspective, it's worth looking into WeVideo. Vynchronize lets you create an online room in which you can watch videos online while chatting with your viewers at the same time. So it's very similar to WeVideo, and you just go to the site, you enter your name, and you pick a name for your chat room. So you can create a chat room to watch videos online with your students. And as soon as you create that chat room, your students can join. And within that room, you can play videos from YouTube and watch them in a togethered space. So I really like this and its ability. You can use Zoom to do this as well, and Google Meet. Maybe it's not 100% necessary, but they have some interesting additional features to pause, rewind, and fast forward videos like you can on YouTube. Now, TurboNote is another one I wanted to share, which is a Chrome extension, which allows you to take notes while watching a video. So you can take those notes so students can actually watch these notes in the TurboNote extension icon in their browsers and start writing notes right in the menu that appear on the right side of the screen. So any notes that the students type are automatically time-stamped, and the notes can be edited while video is being played. So this is great for if your students are in video production or creating videos themselves. You could watch their videos and provide time-stamped notes in there. So WeVideo, Vynchronize, and TurboNote, 3 to look into for those types of styles. Now here's a couple more I wanted to add: grading and quiz style activities. Everybody loves Kahoot. Kahoot is an online quiz kind of voting scenario where you can turn, basically quizzes and tests into a fun game. And they've really gamified the ability to do that. And I'd say it's probably the most popular one in the education space right now. Another to look into is called CrowdPur. And they've got different ways to make learning fun via quizzes and styles. Now, I wanted to show a couple more. TechM is a service that uses the TEDx model of creating lessons based on video. And on TeachM, teachers can build courses that are composed of a series of videos hosted on YouTube. So you can host videos on YouTube privately if you'd like, and then use a tool like this where teachers can write questions and comments in flashcards that are tied to specific parts of each video and displayed next to each video. So I really like this one. It's really been awesome to see what they're doing there. And then TES Blend Space makes it easier for teachers to organize and share educational materials in a visually pleasing format. The TES Teach area allows you to arrange videos, links, images, and files. So if you don't already have a learning management system, that's a really great one. And then for trimming videos, there's one called YouTube Cropper, YT Cropper, that allows you to share just a portion of a YouTube video, specifically the start time and end time of the video you just share with others. So to do this, simply go to YouTube Cropper's site, paste in the YouTube video URL that you want to share, and once you've done that, you can specify the start and end time of the portion of the video that you want your students to watch. it will create a link for you that you can email out to everybody. So instead of sharing an entire video, you can just share a portion. So I thought that was helpful to share. And then safeshare.tv makes it possible to view YouTube videos without displaying the related videos associated to comments. So safeshare.tv is an important one, I think, to use because students can easily get distracted if you're sending them YouTube videos. So just wanted to cover those for trimming and removing distractions. Those are some tools to think about: YouTube Cropper, SafeShare. Now I want to mention that we will have an entire course introducing you, or entire lecture introducing you to Zoom, and an entire lecture, of course we're not going to do it right now, but an entire lecture introducing you to Google Meet. So don't worry, I just wanted to high level share with you, those communication tools like Google Meet and Zoom can be enhanced by video sharing tools. They can be enhanced by taking online courses together, online quizzes together with Kahoot and CrowdPur. So just wanted to stimulate some of those online communication tools. Of course, we'll go into more detail on Google Meet and Zoom in an upcoming lecture in this course. So stick around. We're going to be cooking onto our next lecture soon.